NTA is all set to conduct the CMAT Exam 2023 on May 4. The exam will be held in two shifts, morning 9 am to 12 pm and afternoon 2:30 to 5:30 pm. Around 50,000 to 60,000 candidates are likely to appear for this MBA entrance. CMAT admit card will be issued soon to all the registered candidates. Please check the link in the description box for more details on the CMAT admit card. This video highlights exam day guidelines and last week tips to ace CMAT with a good score. For admission to top MBA colleges like JBIMS, SIMSRI, Great Lakes, KG Somaya, Jagsom Bangalore, BIMTech, SDMIMD, etc., candidates must try to score above 280 in CMAT 2023. A score between 320 to 350 plus turns to a 100 percentile in CMAT. Follow these last minute tips to crack CMAT with a high score. Revise your notes. Resort to the handy notes created during CMAT preparation for quickly revising the important topics, formulas, and other shortcuts to solve problems. Strictly avoid picking up any new topic in these last days. Some of the important topics as per the past year CMAT exam question paper are: Analyze and revise mock tests. Revise the mock tests and analyze your mistake to ensure that they aren't repeated in the CMAT exam. Also, take note of the time spent on answering the questions. Strategize on reducing this time and increasing the ratio of correct to incorrect answers in the actual exam. Have an idea of attempts. Candidates should focus on scoring more than the last year's CMAT cutoff to strengthen their MBA admission chances at some of the top MBA colleges. They must try to clear both. Plan your exam day. It is important to plan your day to tackle any unexpected challenges. From waking up in the morning, packing bag to ensure important documents are there, traveling to the exam center, revising and attempting the paper, the whole day should be planned to perform well on D-Day. Check out the exam day guidelines. Reach CMAT test center as per the reporting time. Don't forget to carry the CMAT admit card, a photo ID proof and a photograph. Try carrying the one used for CMAT registration. Follow the COVID-19 guidelines at the test center. Fill in and carry the self-declaration form. Don't carry prohibited items like mobiles, handbags, eatables, electronic watches, gadgets, etc. Like and share this video with your fellow CMAT aspirants.